Hi and welcome to my mini-series of working around food triggers. So this is where I share with you what I eat. So one of my food triggers is refined sugar. It triggers the symptoms of Crohn's disease for me. It's a common trigger symptom for autoimmune disease and inflammatory conditions. So during this mini-series I'm going to show you how to make different types of fruit syrups, how to ferment berries in honey, and how to make a number of different crumbles. And I'm using grain-free crumble toppings here. So all of these you can learn how to make, and you can cross over to my website and you can download a free ebook with all of the recipes. I hope you enjoy the series.